Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to transform your health and make a positive impact on the environment? Today, I'm sharing some delicious vegan and vegetarian recipes that are not just good for your body, but also for our planet. First up, let's talk about breakfast. How about a vibrant smoothie bowl to kickstart your day? Blend together some frozen berries, a banana and a handful of spinach. Top it off with some chia seeds, sliced almonds and a drizzle of honey or agave syrup. It's packed with vitamins, antioxidants and fiber to keep you energized all morning. Next, let's move on to lunch. Ever tried a quinoa salad? Cook up some quinoa and toss it with chopped cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, red onions and fresh herbs like parsley or mint. Dress it with a simple mix of olive oil, lemon juice, salt and pepper. It's light, refreshing and loaded with protein and essential nutrients. For dinner, I have a game changer, a hearty lentil stew. Sauté some onions, garlic and carrots in olive oil, then add in your lentils, vegetable broth and a can of diced tomatoes. Season it with thyme, bay leaves, salt and pepper. Let it simmer until the lentils are tender. This dish is not only comforting but also rich in protein and iron. And of course we can't forget dessert. How about some vegan chocolate avocado mousse? Blend ripe avocados with cocoa powder, a splash of almond milk and a bit of maple syrup until smooth and creamy. It's a decadent treat that satisfies your sweet tooth without any guilt. Incorporating these vegan and vegetarian recipes into your diet is a simple way to boost your health and contribute to a more sustainable world. So go ahead, give them a try, and let me know how they turn out. Remember, food is not just fuel, it's a way to nourish your body and soul. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking.